Hi guys! Welcome back to the TheVictoriaWay channel. Today I'm going to show you how to record your iPhone screen. Just kidding, we've done that. Okay, but just in case you don't know how to record your iPhone screen, you can go to my playlist of how to, and there is a video to show you how to record your iPhone screen. But today we're going to show you how to customize your iPhone's ringtones. Okay, so Taylor Swift's latest new album, came out, and if you are a trendy person or Taylor Swift lover like me, then of course you want to make her song as your ringtone, right? So here are the 2 apps that you need to download and the 4 simple steps that you need to do to make it as your ringtone. Alright, let's get started. The 2 apps that you need to download are GarageBand and Documents. So you can find these 2 apps through the App Store. So first of all, click on Documents and it'll show you a page like this. So here at the bottom right, you can find a Safari looking browser icon. You can click on it. Okay, and then go ahead and go to this browser right here and type in look what you made me do ringtones, and then it's gonna go searching. Once you search up the ringtones, usually the first one is the one that you want. Okay, now let's click on the first one. Since I've already made look what you've made me do as a ringtone, I'm just gonna simply show you the steps, but I'm not going to download it. Okay, now you can click on download MP3. Make sure this is the song that you want, but I've already checked it, so it is the song that I want. And then you can click on Documents because we don't want to save it over here. We want to save it in the iCloud. So once you've confirmed that this is the song you want, it's saving under the iCloud folder, you can go ahead and click Save. File X's, overwrite it? Yes. Okay, so I've already downloaded 3 or 4 times to show you guys. Okay, so it'll pop out like this, has been downloaded. Now, what we'll need to do is click the home button, go to GarageBand. Okay, so you can click the plus sign, create new song. Make sure you enter the audio recorder section. Okay, so it's okay if you landed on this page. We don't need this page right now. Let's go to the tracks or edit. And then go to this icon right here. I'm guessing that's the file. Okay. Right. Then you can, usually it'll lead you to this page right here, but this is not the place you stored your downloaded audio. So go to Audio Files and then click on the MP3 that you've already downloaded. You can try to listen to it to see if this is the song that you want, and then you can go drag it to the soundtrack. Okay, so obviously this is the song that you've chosen, and then if you don't want to do any edits such as trimming it, then you can simply just go and click on the triangle pointing down, click My Song. You can edit the song name, share my video. Okay, and then what you want to do is click Select. you can select this one, the one that you just did, and export it. And then click ringtone. Okay. These are the ringtones that you did. Well, you can delete them later through here. Okay, so export. Click OK. Alright, now hit the home button again and we can go to settings, go to sound and haptics, and then choose ringtone, and here will show up the ringtones that you need. Alright, and that's it. It's very simple. Please remember to share and like my video, sub my video as well. Remember to leave some comments below to let me know what other how-tos that you want to learn. Okay, and that's it. Please remember to sub and like and share my video. Thank you.